Hello, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of joining me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the like button. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I bought from my eBay market, eBay stores, eBay store, and where I got the items. I'm going to be telling you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and share to friends and families. So if this interests you to know what I am buying from my eBay shop, eBay shop, then you can continue watching. So today, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is very interesting. I got this and I'm like, oh wow, it just interests me actually, because it looks like a kettle to me and I've never seen anything like this. So it actually interests me, and because of that I checked it out and I think, okay, it's something that I can actually make a profit out of, and I noticed that people are actually looking out for it, they want it, so I decided to buy it. So this is also a kettle, and I think it has its number there saying it's 2722, made in Sheffield, and established in 1796 if I'm correct. And so it's a vintage kettle. If you look inside, it's actually very nice, and if you look inside it, it has Sheffield, it has the stamp of where it was made in it, and it's really, really nice to see this silver plated thing. And it's not been washed. If I washed, or if it's cleaned, I can imagine how it will be glowing, if it's clean and everything. But I decided to leave it this way as it is, and it's so beautiful. So I was still thinking of this one when I came across another one just like that. So this one is also another piece of the same kind of thing. It also has its number underneath, and this time is also, if you look inside, you see that it's actually very vintagey if you look at it, and it's also looking very nice. So I decided to pick this as well because I'm guessing that it's from the same kind of family and the same kind of age, so I bought the two in two different places, and I think I'm happy with with what I bought. This one is actually like, I bought it for like £5, and this one I can't actually remember how much I bought this, but I bought this one and I'm sure that I'll get good profit from them. So the next thing I got is also a silver sterling thing. This one is actually saying that it's warranted, add silver soldered, and it has its number on it, and it's saying that is Walker and Hall, Sheffield, England. This is it. Is actually very nice. I really, really like this, and I'm sure some people are actually looking to buy this. I really liked it, and I got this one as well. I think I got this one at a car boot, so I'm really, really happy with it. I have a tray as well that comes with it. This tray is also I think there is also made at the same time like this one. If you see it, you'll notice that it's actually vintage. It's been used. It's not something that is being used, and you can, if you check the detail in it, you see that it's very, very vintagey. You see the kind of design that was on it. So I decided to pick this because it actually comes with this, and I think I got it from the same place with this one. With this one, I think I have other things that comes with it, but I'm not sure, but I'll see. There are other things. I hope I'll see this person that is selling this again, then I can ask more questions from him. But this is what I got. I really like them, and I'm sure that I will sell them somehow. I know I will make profit out of this. So So the next thing I got from that trip, it's a cardboard, is this lovely old lovely vintagey mirror and brush. You can see that if you look at it, it has really nice designs. I've checked this out and I think that it's I can't remember what it's called. Is it tortoise shell or whatever? I can't remember, or egg shell, like something to do with an animal something, but it's really lovely. Look at it, really lovely. It's the mirror, and the mirror is still very nice. Look at, I can even actually see myself clearly with this mirror, you know. Anyway, so I really like this. Okay, so this mirror is very clear. I can actually see myself very. This, I'll make a profit out of it, I can assure. So from the same trip, I got these two lovely pictures. I like them. One of it is saying Thomas Hardy Cottage, and the other one is saying Shakespeare Birthplace. Why I like them is because I can connect with them, you know, since it's something that I have read Shakespeare in school and I've read Thomas Hardy's book as well. So somehow, because I've connected with them, that is why I bought them. So this is what it looks like, and this is what this looks like as well. So if I stand a little bit like this, it should be okay, or like this, I don't know. So you can see my behind me, because I think the natural light is much better than when I'm using that light, and that one is reflecting somehow and it's funny. Okay, so anyway, to cut the long story short, I was trying to show you what I got. This yes, I was trying to show you this. I think this is much better. So I'm trying to show you this so that my ring light is not reflecting, you know. So this is what I got. The two pictures, like I said, because I connected with them, that was why I got them. So that is from the same trip. And then these days, I think there's something with me and getting Bibles. As you know, I'm a Christian, and I see Bibles, I just grab them. So as I was going around, I saw this Bible. Is March 11th, 1863. It was given to a dad by two daughters. So I decided to get this old Bible. I don't want to show the names because I'm sure the name of the family is there, so I don't want to show the name. But this is the Bible. I got it, and you can see that it's very vintagey. But let me tell you one thing that I noticed in this Bible. It's just the Old Testament that is there, just the Holy Bible. It says the Old Testament. Let me see. Yes, just the Old Testament from Genesis to I need to keep this Bible because to Malachi. See, I need to keep this Bible because look, oh, this one is cinnamon and orange. So I'm getting it, I'm putting this in a safe place, so you might not see it, so I'll put it in a safe place. I want this place to smell nice. I love candle, like I said. So that is it. So that's the I think on that trip, yes, before I forget. So on that trip, I got this as well. Look at it. This is a plug for the kitchen. It's so lovely. It's actually still in its pack, and it says that it's made for Debbie Hams. That is made for Debbie Hams. It's really nice. It had some. Let me bring this up. It's still in its pack. So you can actually use that for the kitchen towels. You know, you can hang your kitchen towels on it on it, sorry. And on it we have the eggplant, the cucumber, garlic, onion, tomatoes, carrot, and mushroom. It's so beautiful, and this is how the back is, so you have a space where you can hang it on the wall, whatever. So this one also, I got it on that same trip. So like I said, if you want any of this, please don't hesitate to either check my store out, or if you can't get to my store, you can contact me and I'll tell you the next thing to do. So I think that is all I got on this particular trip. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again, and don't forget to click the like button. I'm going to go show you what I got in the charity shop where I went to the last month. That is my last trip, and I'm still going to be wearing the same clothing, but it's just I want to separate the things that I got in charity shop from the things that I got in cardboard, at the cardboard. So the next video that you'll be seeing me in this same clothing will be things that I got from the charity shop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.